everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll introduce you to the plants in and around my house. This is a neem tree and these are its leaves. This is a medicinal plant and can be used for brushing teeth. It is very good for our teeth. Jackfruit tree and these are jackfruits. Jackfruits have a sticky inside and we must apply oil before cutting or slicing them. These are mangoes and they are summer fruits. This is a coconut tree and these are coconuts. Coconuts are very good to hydrate yourself in summer. These papayas are going to ripe in a few days. This is a banana tree with a whole bunch of bananas. Aloe vera is good for skin. This is the chili which we use in our everyday food.